You will play the victim card and you're saying that is kosher.
They want EDCBI against Vijayan. They want EDCBI against Vijayan, by the way. He just said EDCBI is misused, but they want EDCBI against Vijayan. Rahul Gandhi has said this.
IB must report to parliamentary committees.
Professor Jyotsna, they are only running away from the problems and distracting attention. The same agencies which they discredit every day are the agencies they want against their own political opponents. Do you think this is just a distraction tactic, or do you think there is some substance in the 2 o'clock dream and tweet of Rahul Gandhi?
Thank you, Navika ji, for calling it a dream. I was about to, quote the same, saying that it is hallucination and imagination of Rahul ji. Again, as I said earlier, it's the modus operandi of them. No doubt about this. Again, I repeat my words, ulta chor kotwal kudante. The Chakravyuh that they are talking about, it is the Indi Chakravyuh, Dushprachar, fake khabar, Jat Paat, Makkari, Fareb, Jhoot. In छह जो they keep telling, no, ये जो हमारा चक्रव्यूह है, अभिमन्यु को मार दिया, ये सब जो ये quote कर रहे हैं, that actually is about them, and Rahul ji is running away from his responsibilities. I quoted on camera, Navika ji, he is running away from his responsibilities. नहीं तो वहाँ लोग मर रहे, and he tweets about himself.
Well,
if you are so committed about the area, talk about it. अगर आपको इतना डर नहीं है तो
अब्बास हैदर
आने के बाद बोल दो. अगर ईडी आ रहा है तो आएगा ही. अगर आप गलती करोगे तो आएगा ही.
अब्बास हैदर, Arvind Kejriwal is in jail. The matter is in courts. Manish Sisodia is in jail for over a year. The matter is in courts. There are cases and there are cases. Have they been used? Yes, they have been used. But if there is substance in the cases that have been filed by the Enforcement Directorate, do you think all agencies should shut down only because the charges are against opposition leaders?
Navika ji, we don't have any problem with any cases. Any forced cases they made against the opposition leader. They want to harass us. Okay, fine, go ahead, harass us as much as you can. But I am surprised to see the obsession of Bharatiya Janata Party and their leader with the Congress Party. अगर कांग्रेस पार्टी ने कोई गलती कभी करी है तो इन्होंने कसम खाई है कि उस गलती को रोज दोहराएंगे. अगर उन्होंने ईडी सीबीआई का कभी मिसयूज किया है तो ये रोज करते रहेंगे. अगर उन्होंने कभी इमरजेंसी लागू करी तो आज भी वो हमारे देश में अघोषित इमरजेंसी लागू करेंगे. अरे भाई, इतना ऑब्सेशन है कांग्रेस पार्टी.
कहां है इमरजेंसी? ईडी के सोर्सेज तो आपको सारी खबर दे रहे हैं. वेयर इज द इमरजेंसी? इफ देयर वाज एन इमरजेंसी, इफ देयर वाज डिक्टेटरशिप, हाउ कुड ईडी ऑफिशियल्स इवन डेयर टू टॉक टू राहुल गांधी?
What do you call it?
I don't know what you call it. You're calling it.
What
you
do you call
explain to me.
When the opposition leader are targeted for nothing.
Yeah. Many in bureaucracy are
This is undeclared emergency. What else will you call emergency?
Ishkaran.